Good morning, dear students. Welcome to 8th class Physical Science. Today, now in this class, we discuss about observing fluid friction. Okay, observing fluid friction. Okay, we understand fluid friction. We conduct a small activity. In this activity, we take a glass tumbler. This is the glass tumbler. In this glass tumbler, we take some water. Next, now we take a spoon. The spoon is put in water. Put in the water. Next, this water in the glass tumbler stir with spoon. What happens? What happens now? We stir this water in the glass tumbler with spoon. We observe that the water makes whirling, that is the rotation, about a fixed point or an axis. Okay, based on the axis, this water makes the rotation, that is the whirling inside of the glass tumbler. Now, to stop the stirring process with the spoon and to leave it this glass tumbler without any disturbance up to certain time. What happens? What do you observe to stop the stirring process? We notice that the whirling of water, its speed is gradually decreases with time interval. After certain time interval, this water in the glass beaker, the whirling or the rotation of water, it will be stem, and this water will come to the stable state. What is the reason? After a certain time interval, we stop the stirring process. This water, it will come to the stable state. What is the reason? Because of the fluid friction. This frictional force will be caused for this the whirling water. Its speed is gradually decreases with time interval. After a certain time, it will come to the stable state. So here the fluid friction is arising between the liquid layers. Okay, in between the liquid layers arise the force of the friction is the fluid friction. The fluid friction is possible between the liquid layers, and also the fluid friction it will cause for in between liquid layers to the surface of a glass tumbler. Okay, students, here this fluid friction is arising between the between liquid layers and as well as liquid layers and the glass surfaces arising of a frictional force due to the reasons the whirling of water, it will come to the its speed is gradually decreases with time interval. After a certain time interval, to stop the whirling of water, it will come to finally a stable state. This is called the fluid friction. So the fluids or gases and liquids are called fluids according to the science. Okay, gases, that is the gases and liquids are called fluids. Why? Because of these are they are change their position from one place to another place. That is the move to one place to another place. That's why these are called the fluids. In case of a water is poured on the floor, what happens? The water can flow from one place to another place. So water is a fluid. So the gases are also diffusion from one place to another place. So gases are also fluids. So these fluids can exert the frictional force on objects when these objects are passing or moving through the fluids. In case of the objects they are moved through the inside of the water, these bodies are getting the fluid friction offered by the liquid. Okay, in case of the objects are moves through the gases, these gases can exert the force of a friction on those objects. For example, we can feel that the fluid friction when you travel on a boat in the river, I think the water, we can feel that the fluid friction. Similarly, in case of aeroplanes and jets, they are moved through the air medium. So this air is exert the frictional force on those objects is called a fluid frictions. So, what are the factors to influence the effect of a fluid frictions? First one is that size and shape and nature of the fluid, okay, and the speed of the objects. Okay, first one is the fact is the speed of the object. Next one, the nature of the fluid, and okay, next one is the speed of the object. Those are the factors are influencing the effect of a fluid frictions when those objects are moves through them. Okay, for example, in case of a look at in case of fishes and birds, they have a special the design of their shapes. They have a specific shapes. Fishes and birds. Why? Because of to reduce to loss their energies and also to overcome the fluid frictions. That's why they have a certain shapes. Okay, for example, birds. The birds are to fly in air to minimize the force of a fluid friction offered by the air. They have designed special shapes. Okay, birds. Okay, based on this scientific reason parts, the scientists they were developing the specific shape of the aeroplanes. Who had noticed that there were similarities between the birds and aeroplane. Okay, because of the aeroplane is designed a specific shape because of to overcome the fluid friction offered by the air. And also look at the fishes. The fishes that swims in the water, they lose their energies and they overcome the fluid frictions. They have a designed special shapes. Okay, fishes. So that's why in case of based on the scientific reasons, birds and fishes, scientists are developed different vehicles. They are moved through the water and through the air. They designed a special shapes. Okay, students, these are the factors increasing of effect of the fluid friction. Okay, thank you.